How to lock or unlock TD credit card. Now, this method can be done both your laptop or PC or through the mobile application. Now, right now, I'm currently using my laptop and I'm using Google Chrome for this video. Now, if you're using the same as mine, all you have to do is to go to the tdbanks.com's official website and just make sure that you're current logged in on your username and password. Now, upon logging in, there are two ways on doing this method. The first method is by going to More or the three dots on the lower right corner of your phone if you're using the mobile app, and you should be able to see that feature there. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can just simply navigate to your credit card account since we are trying to lock or unlock the credit card account and then select Manage Card. And on Manage Card, you will be able to see all those credit cards that you have associated with your account. And each of those cards has options for you to be able to use whether to lock or unlock the card. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can lock or unlock a card on TD Bank.